Welcome class 8 in your online IT class. Today we are going to design a VB application. So your problem is in front of you that you have to create a VB application that takes the marks of 5 subjects of a student and then calculate the total marks and percentage. When the calculate button is clicked, clicking on clear values clears the texts of all the text boxes. So we are going to design the same interface. You will see it here. We have selected the VB and we are going to create new application. So this is the window open in front of you where we will design the interface. See students, as we are looking into the question, this is the interface whose background color, form's background color we have to change, and we have to change its text property because this text should be displayed on the form's title bar. So how we can change? Select the form and go to the text property of the form. This is the text property where it's showing by default it is showing its name. Now we will change calculate your percentage. Calculate your percentage. So I have written calculate your percentage over here. Then we have to change the background of this form. Then go to the back color property of the form. This is present over here, back color, and in the back color property you can change the color like this. Any one of the color you can choose from here. I have chosen this one, or like this one you can choose, which is given in the book. Now the property of form are changed according to the interface. You can see according to the interface I have changed the properties. Now come to the interface and see there is total 8 labels included in it, where we will put some of the heading. So we will include 8 of the labels. So I am inserting it. You can do double click and place it over there, or you can do click and drag and drop over there. Okay, or this one the third level, and this one fourth one, and then it is the fifth one, and then it is the sixth, and then finally it is for total and it is for percentage. So all the labels are included in it, and these are placed like this. You can design and place it properly, and now change the property of these labels. First label I have selected, change its text property to display the text on it, and the text property is saying you have to show enter marks. Enter marks. Enter marks. And as it is a heading, so you can change its font also. Little bit change its size. Okay, I have changed. You can see it is looking much more better than. Yes. Now change the property for the next controls. For all the controls, the property is English. Then for label control, label 3, this is mathematics. Then label 4, this is for science. Change its text property as science. Then next one is for social science. Then next one for Hindi, and these are 2 of the labels which are for total marks and percentage. To enter the marks, we have to insert few of the text boxes. So first text box I'm going to insert for English marks. Second for, you can drag and drop or you can double click on them. Double click and then drag it, or double click and drag it, or drag and drop. Anything you can do. Okay. And two text boxes for total and percentage. And increase the size of the form. Okay. And see, these all 7 text boxes are here. We will change the property of 2 text boxes. Which property? For the total, we are not going to enter anything. It will display the calculated value. So we will disable it. To make it disable, disable means nobody can enter the value from the keyboard. So to disable it, change the enable property as false. So I have changed. Then nobody can enter the marks, enter the value in it. I have changed the property. Then now we have to include 2 of the, you can review the interface, 2 of the button controls, that is calculate and clear. Then button control first one and button control second one. And we will change the text property of this one. I have changed the text property of button. Calculate. Text property of the next button and clear value. Clear value. Okay. Then now we will write. Designing work is over. We will write the code. For writing the code, double click on the calculate button. Okay. Now here you have to write text box 7.6 dot text, because 6 text boxes receiving the total marks, equals to when text box 1 dot text plus this is text box 2. This is text box 3. This is text box 4. This is text box 5. Okay. All 5 marks. These marks are calculated. Now we are going to show the percentage. To show the percentage, text box 7 dot text equals to well, and where the total marks is present, text box 6 dot text divided by 7. No, sorry, divided by 5, because 5 subjects are here. And now we are going to the design view to clear the value. Write the code for the clear value. So we are going to write the code for the clear values. So text box 1 dot text equals to this. So how can you select it? We are not going to write again and again. There are 7 text boxes. So we have included 4 times, 5, 6 and 7. So now we will change their names, as first is text box 1, so second is text box 2, then next is 3, 4, next is 5, 7, 6 and then 7. So I have changed the value for the all text boxes. It will clear the values. Now run the application. For running the application, I am pressing F5 function. So this is the interface in front of you. So write the marks. And then click on the calculate. This is the result. As you click on the clear values, the result will be, all the text boxes will be clear. You can enter again. So this is all over the program and the application which is given over here in the project zone. So you have to practice it. I'm sending the same PDF. And you will write the complete, you will design the complete interface like this. And after that, you will write the code for the programming purpose for calculation. And I have already introduced you with the val function in the last class. Val function will convert the text value into the numeric value for the calculation purpose. So complete application is over. Okay, now buy the class, buy, practice it well.